Pikachu, come on! Come on! Oh, got him! Sorry guys, we're just playing some Pokemon Go. So we've got a really cool augmented reality tutorial ready for you guys. Now, if you don't know what augmented reality is, it's essentially just Pokemon Go. It's overlaying 3D images and photos in the world around us. So the way Pokemon Go works is it scans the everyday environment and puts the 3D Pokemon in our real world. And the way other places use it is it uses essentially a QR code. We use a platform called Zappar, which calls them Zap codes. But essentially there are QR codes that you scan with your phone and tablet to create all sorts of artificial surroundings just on your phone or device. No headsets needed, nothing like that, all just on your device. And with Zappar, it's all free. It's fantastic. And we're seeing augmented reality being used across subject areas. We're seeing it in English with characters being brought to life, in history with ancient figures coming to life and telling us about their story. In geography, we can scan our environment and see animals crawl out of it. And in technology, students are creating these experiences. Now, you don't have to be some sort of tech whiz to create it. Zappar lets you do it yourself. They've got all sorts of different options, from dragging and dropping widgets, really simple and easy, all the way through to full in-depth coding, and a couple of options in between. So no matter your skill level or how much time you've got, teachers and students alike can create these experiences. Now I've got a couple of my favourite here to give you a bit of a taste of what it can do. Here we've got a city brought to life with augmented reality. You can take your tablet, all you do is you open the Zappar app, and then you scan the experience. All of a sudden, it comes to life and you can tour around the city and do all sorts of really exciting things. As well as that too, we've also got here the solar system in an augmented reality experience. All you do is you scan it and then then Saturn comes to life. You launch a probe onto the planet and you can see it come back to you with all sorts of vital data, like the temperature, the radius, the distance from Earth and everything like that. And you can even go searching for alien life. It's great for gamifying our learning. And we're seeing these used across all sorts of different subject areas, doing some really exciting stuff. Now with Zappar, you can do it all for free and all really simply and easily. So make sure to head to zappar.com or head to our website, www.bopindustries.com, to find out more. So that's it for our augmented reality tutorial, guys, and I hope you've learned a little bit from it. I want to hear about what you're using with augmented reality in the classroom. I want to hear about the experiences you've created and the outcomes you've seen with your students. So please drop a comment below or send us an email at info@bopindustries.com. We really want to find out more and give you guys a bit of a shout out for being the innovative teachers, educators and schools you are. So if you have anything, make sure to get in touch and keep an eye out for our next tutorial. We've got some more really exciting technology coming. Until then, that's me, I'm Scott, I'm from BOP, and I hope you enjoy. Bye guys!